In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem 16-digit Amazon gift card. Before we begin, make sure you have your Amazon account ready and the physical or digital gift card handy. If it's a physical card, gently scratch off the protective layer to reveal the 16-digit claim code. If it's digital, keep the email or message with the code open so you can copy it when needed. Start by opening your web browser and going to www.amazon.com. If you're already signed in, you'll see your name near the top right. If not, you can sign in when prompted during this process. The redemption works the same on desktop and mobile, but I'll describe it as you'd see it on a computer. Next, move your cursor to the top right of the Amazon homepage and click on Account and Lists. This opens your account hub where all your settings and orders live. From here, look for the section labeled Gift Cards and click it. This is where you can view your current gift card balance, track past reloads, and, most importantly, redeem a new code. On the gift cards page, select Redeem a gift card. This takes you to a simple form with a single field for your claim code. Now carefully enter the 16-digit code exactly as it appears on your card. If your code includes hyphens, you can type it with or without them. Amazon will recognize it either way. Double-check for common mix-ups like the number 0 versus the letter O, or the number 1 versus a capital I. If you're pasting a digital code, watch out for extra spaces at the beginning or end. When the code is entered correctly, click Apply to your balance. Amazon will instantly verify the code and add the amount to your gift card balance. You should see a confirmation message along with your new total. That balance is stored on your account and will automatically be applied to eligible items during checkout, so you don't need to enter the code again later. If you don't see the expected amount, make sure you typed the code accurately and that you're redeeming on the correct Amazon site for your region, since gift card balances are tied to country-specific stores. Also, keep gift card details private and only redeem codes you trust. Amazon will never ask you to pay someone with a gift card. That's it. You've successfully redeemed a 16-digit Amazon gift card and added it to your balance. Enjoy your shopping, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to replay any part while you complete the steps on your own screen.